Saturday morning, I and my rider decided that we would go to Kumbavuritti Waterfalls to take a ride, take a break from the busy week, spend the weekend in the nature. So we will keep you posted on how the trip is. Stay tuned. Thank you. Hey, hi. So last time when I posted the Tenmala Dam video, that time these gates were not open. So now today when we were going to the waterfalls, we noticed that the gates were open. So I stopped here so that I can capture this. Right. So this is a beautiful view. Okay. I hope I'm getting it. See this water, this beautiful green color that you can see. I think this is a reflection of those trees over there. But this entire stretch, see that whole thing, green, and it's a visual treat. everybody. So we are back again. I told you we are going to Kumbhavati Waterfalls. But there was heavy rainfall 2 days ago, and then they said we cannot go until there. So we have to actually proceed towards that road for about another kilometer or so to reach the waterfalls. But they said instead of that, we can actually bathe in one of the waterfalls that is about a kilometer ahead of that. So that road is closed. So we have settled down for another waterfall, which is like a little ahead of it, where you can bathe until the road clears. So this one is called VIP Waterfalls. So we paid about 150 rupees, 155 rupees half ticket for the kids and ticket for me, as well as bike parking all inclusive, 155 rupees. So from I'll show you just a minute. Let me see if I lock the bike. Yeah, I did lock the bike. Now, this is one place where you can bathe. It's one place where you can bathe. And then there is there is an arch where you have to enter and you go to the top of the hill. I think it's a 600 meter, almost a little more than a half kilometer hike that you have to take to go to the waterfalls. Then let me just show you. This is called VIP waterfalls, okay? And I think it looks really really amazing. This one. I wish we went to the Kumbhavati waterfalls. Well, better luck next time, but we do have something to see. So let's go and see what we can today. Stay with me. Hello. So we guys have started the hike. I'll show you the way that's right behind me. There's the path is. So we will continue talking. We'll continue telling you how this feels, but I think you get an idea. Look at the whole place. See, it's forest, nothing artificial. It's all natural, natural greenery. You will fall in love with it. Like I was saying, it's not about the destination. The destination would be beautiful for sure, but the path, the way that you take to it, including the ride, the road is absolutely, absolutely stunning. Um, I'm sure you would love it. Huh? The last thing I've seen in a metro was a jungle theme restaurant where they've made all these artificial bird sounds and all that. This is the real deal. The green, the chirping noise of the sound, and you can hear the water sound, right? There's water flowing somewhere under down there. Because of the trees, we are not able to see from here, but there is definitely water stream. If you want to trek, you can come here as well. Nice place. See, good. The nature again, like I said, look at all these things. What do you say that the last thing I've experienced in a metro was a jungle. These guys come to say hello. We are visiting their house, right? So, okay, there he is. Let's continue. I don't know if this is boring for you guys, but I can't help but showing this to you. The whole place is like filled with greenery. Okay, I don't want you guys to miss anything because I don't think it is an everyday affair for us to see something like this in our busy lives. At least I could not experience anything like this when I was in big cities like Delhi or Hyderabad or probably Bangalore. Right, so this is one of an experience of its own kind. This you can't you can't beat this. There we are. Nice, isn't it? This one here is called VIP Waterfalls. Kumbhavati Waterfalls is just about 1 kilometer from here. Uh, we couldn't go there because of the roads being closed owing to the rain a couple of days ago. But this here too is really, really worth it. Kids will enjoy. You can shower here and you can bathe. Well, I always wanted to say this, so here it goes. Me, Kiran Kumar, reporting from VIP Waterfalls with Mr. Tanayanshu Reddy. Yeah, hey, he's saying hey. He's not ready for it yet, so we will have a different dialogue for you next time. But this one is something that I always wanted to say. Today is the day, so I think we did it. Okay, that there was VIP Waterfalls for you. Now, while you're enjoying these visuals, I know people would have done a much better videos, but this is something from me, which I'm experiencing. I'm sharing with you all. Uh, well, I think I'll eventually get better at it because this is not like a planned video shoot or something. Where we planned of going on a ride and then I said let's shoot and post it on, uh, you know, the social media so that others can also enjoy what I'm saying.